Suppose you have, I have only one cow. Assume that, or I created one pipeline, okay, to get the returns. I invested some amount somewhere. I saved every day 100 rupees or 200 rupees, 300 rupees. By 1 year, it became almost around 5 lakhs. Assume that. These 5 lakhs, I invested somewhere. Now, my investment journey started. After 1 year, with these 5 lakhs, so it is going to return something. Correct, right? So, after 1 year, this 5 lakhs is going to return something. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
It is going to return something. These returns, we should not eat. If we start eating these returns, you will have only principal amount only. Most of the people, what they are going to do, the bigger mistake here, my principal is there. Just these are the extra returns, right? Let me enjoy. This is the bigger mistake. Most of the people are always going to do that. What we have to do is, what we require to do is, okay, we have to, okay, make these returns also should work for you, should generate more returns. These returns also should work for you, should generate more returns. That thing must be required. Okay, like what we have to do is make it work. Okay, so every returns if you are going to eat, every returns you are going to eat every year I'm eating the returns, man. So for these 5 lakhs, some 50,000 I got. Assume that some 50,000 I got. That 50,000 happily you enjoy. For the second year, how many pipelines will be there for you? Only this pipeline. Because every year you are going to return, you are going to eat those returns. After 30 years, how many pipelines will be there for you? Only that original principal amount only. Correct, right? So,
Yes.
because every time you are eating once, so it generates some returns. Automatically you are eating. Then obviously first year, second year, third year. So after 30 years also, the same principal amount 5 lakhs by default will be there with you. But believe me, if you are not eating the returns, every time you are using to generate more. If you continue this cycle for 30 years, how many pipelines will be there for you? To generate money, how many pipelines will be there? 1 crore 6 lakhs pipelines are going to work for you. Because total army, 1 crore 6 lakhs army got generated if you are not eating the returns for 30 years. Remember this one. Okay, I'm not talking about 1 crore 6 lakhs money. 1 crore 6 lakhs pipelines are there to generate money for you. Okay, if you are not eating. That's why don't eat the returns, generate. So those kits also should require to work for you. Make that kit also as a golden slave. Just simply here you require only thing is continuity, long term, and don't touch, it is not mine. Like you have to do like that. That thing must be required. If you can repeat this cycle, that's all also. You will become another Warren Buffett. You will become modern Arcad.